This is Nashimar, the CEO of InfoTaxCard.com, and we are a team of CPAs and EAs. What type of entity does not trigger a gain on contribution of a non-cash property? This is my today's topic, and I'm going to analyze general partnership, C corporation, and S corporation to determine if those entities trigger a gain on the contribution of a non-cash property. When a partner provides non-cash property in exchange for an interest in a general partnership, it typically does not result in a tax event. The contributing partner does not perceive any immediate gain or loss when contributing. A carryover basis in the property is assumed by the partnership, which means it assumes the adjusted basis of the contributing partner in the property. The partnership assumes the adjusted basis of the contributing partner's property as its basis when carrying forward. The partnership's basis in the property remains the same as it was when the contributing partner owned it. In exchange for the property contribution, the partner is given an interest in the partnership which reflects their ownership share. I'm going to explain it with the help of a case study. Assuming the $10,000 basis is the responsibility of the partnership when a partner contributes equipment with an adjusted basis of $10,000 and a fair market value of $15,000. The partner or the partnership will not have any immediate taxable income due to the contribution. The built-in gain or loss in the contributed property is put on hold until the partnership sells it through this carryover basis approach. Does non-cash property contribution trigger gain for C corporation? Section 351 of the Internal Revenue Code allows for non-taxation of contribution to a C corporation provided that certain conditions are met. These are the essential requirements. Number one, the control requirements is that the transferor or the contributor must own at least 80% of the corporation stock immediately after the contribution. The control can be measured either by voting power or the total number of shares. Number two, contributed property can range from tangible assets like equipment and real estate to intangible assets like patent. The non-recognition of gain or loss cannot be obtained by contributing services for stock. If the transferor receive boot as part of the exchange, they may have to recognize gain to the extent of the boot received. Boot is included anything other than stocks such as cash or debt securities. Does a non-cash property contribution trigger gain for S corporation? Section 351 allows for tax-free contribution of property to an S corporation just like with C corporation, but the conditions are the same. Now let me conclude the program. General partnership does not trigger a gain if the non-cash property was contributed in business, whereas the C corporation and S corporation can also have the non-taxable events, but they have certain conditions. Thank you and God bless you.